Hello students, today we do some problem which is the application of definite integral. Through application of definite integral, we discuss some problem. Suppose we have a question given a right pyramid, whose base is a square, of side A and altitude is h. Then find the integral expression of volume and value of volume. So the question is, given a right pyramid whose base is a square of side A and altitude is h, then we find the integral expression of volume of a right pyramids and the value of the volume. Suppose now we draw a right pyramid. Suppose this is our right pyramid whose base is a square of side A and the altitude is, which means the height is h. Then we find the volume. Now we draw the axis. Suppose this is our x-axis and this is y-axis. Now we draw the cross-section area. The cross-section area of cone. Suppose this is our cross-section area. Suppose this is our cross-section area. Then the cross-section area is, suppose this is our AY. The cross-section area is AY. Cross-section area is AY. Suppose the side of cross-section is B. Suppose we take, suppose side is B. Which side? The cross-section area side. The cross-section of side is B, because this is also a square. So the area is AY is equal to B square, because the area of a square is the side square. AY is B square. Now we find the what is the value of B. Just compare the base and the cross-section area. Both are similar. Both are square. So I take A upon B. The side of this and the side of this is equal to, this is the altitude of base, which is h, upon the altitude of cross-section area is y, because this is y-axis. So I take this is y. So now BH is equal to AY, which means B is equal to AH into Y. Now squaring, the value of B square is equal to A square H square Y square. This is our area of a cross section. But given, now I find the integral expression of volume. What is the formula of volume? V is equal to the integral value of cross section area, limit A to B. Now this limit is A to B, which is the right pyramid from origin to Y. this distance is h, then 0 to h, the limitation is 0 to h, and ay is b square, the b square value of b square is a square y square dy. This is our volume, this is our integral expression of volume. This is our integral expression of volume. Then find the value of problem. Then solve it and find what is the value of volume. Now a square upon a square is constant, then volume is equal to a square upon a square integration 0 to h y square dy, which means a square y cube upon 3 0 to h, which means a square h cube upon 3. Then the volume is 1 upon 3 a square h. This is our required answer. This is the integral expression of volume, and this is the value of volume. This is all about the volume of the right pyramid. Note down this. Then we discuss another example. Suppose we have a cone. Suppose we have a cone whose radius is r and height is h. Suppose we have a cone whose radius is r and height is h. Then find the lateral surface area of cone using definite integral. Now we have the radius of a cone and height of a cone. Then what is the lateral surface area of a cone? And given about x-axis. About x-axis. Then what we do? Solution. Suppose this is our x-axis. Then suppose this is our height h. This is radius r, because if we revolving this, then if we revolving this with x-axis, then it become a cone. See, if this triangle we rotate in x-axis, about x-axis, then the triangle became a cone. Clear? So now this height is h and this is our radius r. Clear? Now suppose I take a point in this. This is our x and this is f of x. If I take the distance is x, then this is f of x. Then similarly in the triangle this and this, we find h upon x. H upon x is equal to r upon f of x. R upon f of x according to similar triangle. Now f of x h is equal to rx, which means f of x is equal to r upon hx. This is our f of x. Then what is the volume of lateral surface area? The formula is S is equal to integration a to b 2 pi f of x 1 plus f dash x square root dx. This is our lateral surface area formula. Now we find the lateral surface S is equal to, the limitation is 0 to h, 0 to h, 2 pi. What is the value of f of x? R upon h x. What is the value of f dash x? f dash x is r upon h. Now 1 plus f dash x square r square divided by h square under root. Clear? Now S is equal to 0 to h, 2 pi r upon h x, h square plus r square root upon h, which means 2 pi r h square plus r square root integration, this is dx, x dx. What is S is equal to 2 pi r upon h square plus r square root, the integration 0 to h, then this is x square upon 2, 0 to h, then 2 pi r upon h square plus r square under root h square upon 2, 2 to cancel and this h cancel, then what is the value of pi r h square plus r square? This is the lateral surface area of a cone whose radius is r and height is h. This is also a problem based on the application of definite integral. I hope you understand two problems of application of definite integral.